Chevy. I'm dipping in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm flossing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my Chevy.
Alright, so we back under the hood of the Chevy, man. Getting this motor took off. I got the one we just got from the yard. Finna get this swapped over right quick, man, to see what happened. What about this one? Is that it does have the markings like it was bought at another junkyard. I mean, it probably worked. Man, they left it on the car, but only time will tell. So let's get into it. All right, so we got it installed. Before we even flip the switch, I'm not even hooking up the wipers. I guess it don't matter because I'm not pulling this shit back off again anyway, but in the event that it doesn't, you know what I'm saying, we'll just leave this shit unhooked and fucking hook that bitch back up when we get a new motor. So let's see what happened. Oh, bro, we got action. Hey, we got action, bitch. Yeah. Yeah, let's go to get that bitch hooked up. We got it, the old motor off, new motor on, new to us motor. Like I said, I still don't know what this ground go to. I'm pretty sure it probably goes to that little washer assembly. If that's the case, we can just swap it over because we know that one does work and go from there. But yeah, man. Gonna crank it up, let her do a thug thizzle. I love it when she do a thug thizzle. I don't know, man. Hold on, let me back these nuts out just a little bit. Cause it started going and that bitch stopped. What the fuck is up with that shit? Alright, let's try this again. Hold on. So let's turn the motor on again. See, now it's not doing shit. I wonder if that fuse went. Fuck. And then it stopped. I don't know what happened. That's for the spray joints. We're just gonna buy a new one. We're just gonna buy a new one, man. We're gonna buy a new one. Put the hubs back up. That's like the feed one from here. But I was like, ugh, that's some nasty looking shit. But you got the little sprayers right there. I said it was just working, man. I don't know. So just end up buying a new assembly, man. Fuck it. I thought it was something maybe to do with the switch internally. See, now it's working again. So what the fuck is that about? I got a little spraying out something. So I mean, it might still be working, but that bitch might be on its way out. Like I said, let's get a new one, man. Fuck it. But like I said, that won't be till after I get a new windshield. I don't know that it'll pass inspection. I don't know that it'll pass inspection all cracked up like this. It might not matter because it's the passenger side, but I know there is a crack. There's a crack on this side too, but it don't necessarily mess with the view, so I don't know. We'll see. I'll go ask the inspection station to find out what the requirements is. So it's your boy LSR Ride 254. Steady fucking with this, you ain't know. Cause it's like first it's working and then it's not working. Like, I don't know. Alright,